Hello students, welcome to this DT video. Today we are discussing about online voting system in the basis of design thinking. So hope all of you know about the stages of design thinking. The first one is empathy, then define, then ideate, then prototype and testing. In the empathize phase, our team focused on understanding the real struggles of voters in today's election process. We visited polling booths, spoke with students, elderly citizens, working employees and people with disabilities. Most people said they avoid voting because of long queues and lack of time or travel distance. Senior citizens complained about standing for long hours while young voters staying in hostels or other states said traveling just for voting is very difficult. We also found that many people fear that their vote may get miscounted or manipulated. So this phase clearly showed us one thing: people want a simpler, safer and faster way to vote without depending on physical presence.
Hello everyone, now I'm going to talk about the second stage of design thinking, which is the define. I'm going to define the problem statement. In this define phase, we converted the user challenges into a clear problem statement. The core problem is how might we can create a secure, accessible online voting system that allows citizens to vote from anywhere without compromising safety. We listed key issues such as identify verification, system security, preventing fake votes, and making the interface simple even for digitally inexperienced users. We also had to consider server overload during elections and privacy concerns. So the problem we aim to solve is not just convenience but also trust, accuracy and accessibility in the voting process.
Now I am going to tell about the ideate part and design thinking. Ideate part is nothing but a generating solution. In this stage, we generated multiple innovations idea, brainstorm idea, Aadhaar card login system, OTP verification via mobile, biometric authentication, fingerprint, face recognition, use of blockchain technology for vote storage, multiple language support, Tamil, English, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, vote guidance for elder users, simple UI with large buttons, selective features, secure logical Aadhaar plus OTP, biometric verification, blockchain based on vote storage, user-friendly interface.
And I'm going to explain the prototype model. In the prototype phase, our team designed a basic model of the online voting system. Our prototype including the main screens like login page, identity verification page, candidate list screen and a digital receipt. We kept the design clean with easy navigation, big icons and minimal steps. We added a dark mode for visually challenged users and a help button for the instructors. The goal of the prototype was not to build a final product but to create a working model that users could test and give a feedback on. This gave a clear picture of how the system might work in the real life.
Now the fifth stage of design thinking, the fifth stage is testing. In this testing phase, we have to give the prototype of different users, students, elder peoples and office workers and homemakers. They interact with the system and share their opinion in the noticed that users love the languages, selections and simple design, earlier use suggestions. Adding voice audience, some people struggled with the biometric steps, so we made the instructions clearly. A few users said that confirmation page are highlighted and the selected candidates more clearly. Overall, the feedback was very positive and helpful and underrated to define the testing. Moreover, our designs are particular and user-friendly.
Hello everyone, now I'm going to talk about the final adjustment and enhancements. After testing, we moved to the improvement phase. We added voice instructions, improved button visibility, and simplified biometric steps and enhanced the confirmation screen. We also added a progress of bar showing steps like login, verify, vote and confirm. For security, we proposed using encryption and blockchain to prevent manipulation. All data is kept anonymous to protect voter privacy. These improvements made the system more accessible, more transparent and more secure. The final version aims to ensure zero invalid votes, zero long queues and maximum participation.
Okay, our final solution is a complete online voting system that includes Aadhaar-based login, OTP plus biometric authentication, a simple multilingual interface, blockchain secured vote storage, and a digital confirmation receipt. This system allows citizens to vote from anywhere in the world with full trust and transparency. The benefit includes increased voter turnout, reduced crowd at polling stations, no long waiting time, no travel issues, and fewer invalid or duplicate votes. It also increases election accuracy and efficiency. Our solution proves that technology can make democracy stronger, more inclusive, and more accessible for everyone. So this discussion will help you for understanding about the online voting system. So thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.